Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So here's a new video for you all. So welcome back, and today's video is gonna be an unboxing video, and plus there's gonna be a tutorial as well. So I'm gonna make some Zentangles with the things that I bought. So here's the things, few of the things that I ordered recently for my art supplies, or you can say. So these are the few things I bought. So I thought, why don't I make an unboxing video? So this is the first thing that I really needed. This is the artist varnish, and this is for oil and acrylic color as well. So varnish is basically to seal your acrylic or oil painting, and from kind of prevent it from any damage from environment, dust or anything. It won't fade away, or the color won't turn yellow. So here are the colors. So this is the magenta acrylic color from folk art, and I mix all the colors and everything, but you never get the perfect shade of magenta like this one. So this is from Apple Barrel, and this is a blue shade, so which I already had, but it was almost finished, so I have purchased it again. This is a nice pink color that I always wanted to have, and this is my favorite color. And some of you guys know I have pro markers, and in that also this color was my favorite. So I found that that Martha Stewart paints have this green kind of color, so I ordered that. And this color, I thought it's gonna be little bit like light blue sea green kind of color, but it's little bit lighter than yours. It's okay, I'm gonna use every one of them in something. So here's another package that I got, and this one is my most awaited package. This is like a nice binder, a painting binder, and this is for mixed media. And I love how thick the page is. This is 300 GSM something, and you can use it for any kind of media, either acrylic colors or markers. They won't bleed onto the paper. So I really love this one, so I just ordered this, and this was quite expensive for me, but it's okay. You don't get these things daily. Okay, so the next thing is some oil colors, which I don't think I'm ever gonna use, because this oil color is not something that I can handle. I think acrylics are the best for me. Okay, so these are the things that I bought today, so I'm going to use them now. This is the color that I was talking about. This is my favorite color, green. If you want to know the perfect shade, I'll put explain in the description. I'll give the name of the color. Okay, so just start making some zentangle-patterns over there, and you can choose any kind of base for this. Green, red with the black, it all looks good. Okay, so just do some experiments and come up with some different simple but nice ideas. And this is I normally do this for like a therapy, or just when you want to pass your time. So this is the best thing that you can do. Just paint all the pages in different colors, and then when you are free and the pages are dry, just take your pen and start drawing, and voila. See, you can see now my actual feed actually got deleted, so I just did this with my phone. Okay, so I'm gonna try the rest of the colors now. So I'm making some rough sketches here and there, some flower and little bit of mountain and something like sea or something we will make. Okay, so just keep the colors ready. I'm gonna just spread some water, and now I'm using some blue and red and orange colors to make it look like a sunset. So let me paint the whole thing. This is the magenta that I was talking about. This is a very beautiful shade of magenta, and I'm loving this. lately I have been so much into acrylic paintings and colors now. I don't only just use markers anymore, because I think there's a time comes when your life, when you get bored with that monotony in your life. So markers, I'm using markers from for so long now, so I just wanted to have a little change in my art style. So I'm still in the process of in changing it in some way and make it more interesting. So that's why I started using acrylics and plus markers. So I'm just mixing both of them. I saw a few painters are there which those who use watercolors, and but I like to do acrylics and markers, especially on canvases. I don't know why, but I love to use canvases. And the most interesting part of the whole process is when you finish your painting with a nice bold black marker. That is when the whole painting comes to life, and this is what I'm gonna do now. That is the part which I love the most, when I finish the whole painting with the black marker. So like this is what I'm saying. So just take a nice bold marker and finish your painting. This is what I love. But now I'm gonna use some white marker here to paint the sky like a mandala and finish the whole, cover the whole space of the sky like this. Keep painting and drawing more and more patterns in it and finish it with beautiful mandala. Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and if you did, please make sure to click on the bell icon, because some of you don't even get my subscription notifications. Please do that, and I'll come up with new video next time for you all. Till then, bye bye, see you next time.